Good morning, dear students. Today we will be learning about the Southern Plateau. In this lesson, we will learn about its location and physical features, including the Central Highlands and the Deccan Plateau. Also, we will look at the life of people living in the Southern Plateau. Now, where is the Southern Plateau located? To the south of the northern plains lies the vast Southern Plateau. It's triangular in shape, and the land here is rocky and uneven. If we look at the locational extent of the Southern Plateau, it is bordered by the Aravalli Range on the northwest, Rajmahal Hills on the northeast, Eastern Ghats on the east, and Western Ghats on the west. River Narmada divides the Southern Plateau into two parts. To the north is the Central Highlands, and to the south is the Deccan Plateau. The Central Highlands include the Malwa Plateau in the northwest and the Chota Nagpur Plateau in the northeast. The Malwa Plateau includes the parts of Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh, whereas the Chota Nagpur Plateau includes much of Jharkhand and parts of Odisha, Bihar, and Chhattisgarh. The two of India's largest steel plants are located at Bokaro and Bhilai in the Chota Nagpur Plateau region itself. Now, let us see where the Deccan Plateau is located. To the south of Satpura Range is the Deccan Plateau region, bounded by the western and the eastern Ghats. There are many rivers in this area. If we look at the directions of rivers in the Deccan Plateau, we will see that Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, and Kaveri flows from the west to the east into the Bay of Bengal, as most of the land in the Deccan Plateau slopes from the west to the east. The Narmada and Tapi rivers flow from the east to the west and fall into the Arabian Sea. Now, let us see the types of rivers. There are two types of rivers: perennial rivers and seasonal rivers. Perennial rivers have water in them throughout the year, whereas in the seasonal rivers, water can dry up during summer. The perennial rivers are fed by snow, and the seasonal rivers are fed by rain. The perennial rivers flow slowly on reaching the plains. The seasonal rivers flow much faster than the rivers of the northern plains. Dear students, the rivers in the Deccan Plateau are the seasonal rivers. The type of soil found in the large parts of Deccan Plateau is the black soil. Now, let us see the crops grown in the Deccan Plateau. Rivers like Godavari, Krishna, and Kaveri form deltas before flowing into the Bay of Bengal. So these areas are especially good for rice cultivation. Cotton and sugarcane also grow very well in the Deccan Plateau. One of the highest waterfalls in India is the Jog Falls on the Sharavati River in Karnataka. The Nagarjuna Sagar Dam on the river Krishna store water for irrigation and provide electricity. Now, let us look at the life of people living in the Southern Plateau. First is the state of Maharashtra. The capital of Maharashtra is Mumbai. Mumbai is also the biggest center of film production in India. The oranges of Nagpur are very famous. Maharashtra is the largest producer of cotton and the second largest producer of sugarcane in India. The traditional clothes of men are dhoti and shirt, whereas the women wear saris. Tamasha, a kind of dance drama, is very popular in the state. Next is the state of Karnataka. The capital of Karnataka is Bengaluru, which is also known as the Garden City. Most of the gold mined in India comes from the Kolar gold mines in Karnataka. Bengaluru is the biggest software development center in India. Brindavan Gardens in Mysore and Jog Falls are the tourist attractions. The state of Karnataka is the leading producer of coffee. Most of the people speak here Kannada. Dussehra and Shivaratri are the important festivals. Now, let us study about the state of Andhra Pradesh. Hyderabad currently serves as the joint capital of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. The Venkateshwara temple in Tirupati is visited by lakhs of devotees every year. The fertile deltas of Krishna and Godavari are ideal for the cultivation of rice. This region is also known as the Rice Bowl of India. Andhra Pradesh is the largest producer of rice, red chili, and tobacco. The people here speak Telugu. Kuchipudi is the famous dance form of Andhra Pradesh. Dussehra, Eid, and Christmas are the important festivals. The state of Telangana was formed in June 2014. Its capital is Hyderabad. Agriculture is the main occupation of the people here. There are rich reserves of coal at Sinagiri. Bidriware is a well-known handicraft made here by the mixture of zinc and copper with inlay work in silver. Gusadi is a popular folk dance of the state of Telangana. Bonalu and Eid are the main festivals of the state. To the south of Andhra Pradesh lies the state of Tamil Nadu. Its capital is Chennai. The silk saris of Kanchipuram are very famous. Bharatnatyam is the most popular dance form of Tamil Nadu. The main festival is Pongal. In Tamil Nadu, it is very famous for temples. Madurai and Thanjavur are famous temple towns. Last but not the least, the state of Madhya Pradesh. The capital of Madhya Pradesh is Bhopal. The textile industry in Madhya Pradesh is very well developed. It has several wildlife parks such as Kana and Bandhavgarh. Last is the state of Chhattisgarh. The capital of the state is Raipur. The state is very rich in minerals such as coal, iron ore, aluminium, and diamonds. Bhilai has one of the India's biggest steel plants. Thank you, children. I hope you have enjoyed today's lesson. Bye.